In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade Figma to the organization plan. Now, this process is both quick and easy, but it's important to make sure you follow along closely so you can make the most out of your Figma experience. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by visiting Figma's website. Figma is well known as a leading tool for collaborative interface design, and getting to their site is your first step on this journey. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a lot of options, but for our purposes, you'll need to log in. Locate the login button, which is usually at the top right hand corner of the page. Click this to enter your login details. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your account. This area is your central hub, where you can access all of your design projects and tools that Figma has to offer. The next step is to navigate to the team section. You'll find this by looking for a section or icon labeled Teams or something similar. This is where all your team related projects and activities are housed. Click on this to view your teams. Now that you're in the team view, select the team you wish to upgrade. If you're working with multiple teams, make sure you select the correct one that requires the upgrading. Clicking on a team will take you to a more detailed view where you can oversee the projects associated with it. In this view, you'll notice an option that says Upgrade to create more projects. This option is specifically designed to give you more power and flexibility in handling multiple projects or larger teams. Click on this to initiate the upgrade process. Upgrading to the organization plan unlocks a greater suite of features tailored for professional needs, such as advanced permissions, enhanced security controls, and more extensive design tooling. If you're managing a team that's scaling up, this is especially beneficial. Once you've clicked on upgrade, follow any on-screen instructions that guide you through setting up billing information or confirming your subscription details. You may need to provide a payment method if you haven't already done this in the past. Figma keeps this process straightforward and you should be able to complete it in just a few clicks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully upgraded to the Figma organization plan. This new setup will provide you and your team with more options and tools to make your design process seamless and efficient. Thank you for following along, and I hope you find this upgrade beneficial for all your future design projects. Stay creative, and until next time, happy designing.